stainless steel tray for my battery for my FJ. Yep. And it's not a modern website, but I'm gonna be honest, once I paid through comes with the tie down. So you see that mine is kind of cruddy looking. And hardware. So, and I don't know what other options exist. I know I've seen them as expensive as 200. So for 75 bucks, this isn't bad. So it actually comes with the entire kit. And looks like they're really into Land Cruisers, as you can see. Anyway, I'll link them up below. And I'll probably install this tomorrow. Stay tuned. So I purchased this whole kit, the battery tray kit, and this one's actually in decent condition compared to others. I mean, there's some breakthrough here, but more importantly, I want to take it out because I want to see what's going on under there. Allegedly, under the battery tray, there's some spots that could rust. So in any case, I'm gonna be swapping this out. It's a direct bolt on, and as you can see here, this one had it. I'm happy I replaced it because this wasn't even on here properly. This is a newer battery. I just had it off so I could charge it properly, and I just capped it for now. Currently waiting for my carburetor to come back, which is not happening for a couple of weeks. The other thing is that it's been snowing so much here in New Jersey that we can't actually, I can't run water to even pressure wash this or do any of the stuff that I typically do to start. So yeah, at least I got this installed, and can't say enough about this tray. It's for 75 bucks, I think it was. Stainless steel trays. I'll put the website beneath. Yeah, great purchase.